Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another unboxing and review of a 2024 planner. This planner is from Happy Wagon and it's designed by Tati Aubrey, if I'm not pronouncing it wrong, hopefully. So yeah, they were kind enough to send me this planner and I'm gonna quickly review it. There are multiple designs that you can find on Happy Wagon. I'll leave the links below. This one is the floral one and the name is Grow Your Dreams Like Flowers and it's a dated 2024 planner. I am super excited because I love the colorful aesthetics and the floral ones as well, and the gold foiling done. It's just so pretty. Now this planner comes in a beautiful box like you just saw, and the entire aesthetic is around pastels and florals, as you can see. So of course in the start you have your name and then you have your vision board page, followed by your goals and a space where basically it's called as create your own magic. There are multiple questions you need to answer for the new year to begin. So yeah, and below every page they've got a quote written. Now same thing over here, like things you want to start doing and all of that. Then you have your calendar preview for 2024 and 2025. I love the minimal aesthetic. Then you have a year at glance where you basically want to write anything important, and then starts your January or your monthly part. Now I love the color schemes. They've involved animals and everything, so that's something that I really like. Now each and every calendar month has got your weekly overview, your a grid monthly overview, and your everyday daily planning. There is habit tracker, there's a mood tracker. I also really like the fact that they've given an expense tracker as well and an income tracker, and then this is how your every daily planning in a weekly section looks like, and there's a huge note section as well. Talking about the quality of the papers, it's actually quite good. It's not really thin and flimsy. You have a monthly closure with a gratitude section, and then your February month starts. Now I like the different kind of animals they've used, the color schemes and everything. It's a very nice minimal to the point planner, nothing really extraordinary. This is affordable within your budget and also quite cute and aesthetic. There are multiple other color options that you can look out for, and even different patterns or themes. I'm just sharing with you all each and every cover page for the month because it just looks very fun and nice to look at them, and I really like animals and the bird aesthetics they've picked up. June is my birthday month, so I'm always excited, and I'm so glad that for the month of June they had a big cat like a cheetah. So yeah, I really love the way the planner is built. It's minimal to the point, perfect for people who are probably like working, doing a job, doesn't want anything too fancy but still cute and aesthetic and minimal. It's a lightweight planner so you can carry along as well. Great for people who are business owners and doesn't really have that much of hectic planning to do but still wants a cute planner on their desk. This is the one you can go for. Again, multiple patterns are there like I told you. So each and every month has a very similar view. Nothing changes, only the questions sometimes change. Otherwise, everything else is similar. Once you close, you have your yearly reflections page where you have a year at glance, a couple of blank pages for your notes section, and then the planner ends with some very cute stickers. The stickers are limited, but again, what more can you ask for? I also really like the golden foil stickers that they have over here. So yeah, this is a quick review of this planner. Again, there's a pocket, good quality, affordable, sturdy, minimal, cute aesthetic, all that you need in your everyday planner, and plus it's dated. So yeah, this was the planner from Happy Wagon. I really liked it. I love the fact that it comes in this cute box as well, so you can use it, and it's like a perfect desk planner. So yeah, this was the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it and found it helpful. I am going to be uploading a lot of planner comparisons video and a lot more planner reviews, so make sure you subscribe to this channel and my study channel. I'll be linking it below. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.